Hey traders, welcome to this week's weekly analysis video. So pretty much we're going to look at Euro, Great Britain, Pound to start it off on a weekly time frame. We can see we're in gigantic range here on this weekly time frame. Then going to break it down to the daily time frame, see if there's any opportunities. So we see this bearish trend, break it as support down here on the daily time frame. We're starting to pull back into that area. So on the 4 hour this week, we're going to be looking for an opportunity for price to come back into this area and reject and enter a short position back down to the downside. So that is what I'm looking at right now for Euro, Great Britain, Pound going into this week. All right, so next up we got NZDUSD. Price is definitely in a bearish trend. We can see that we're constantly rejecting off of this trend line, even most recently to the downside. So we're gonna be looking for some short opportunities going into this week if it presents itself. So let's go down to the daily time frame. Now on daily, we can see that price is somewhat forming consolidation at that weekly level. So we got this daily support, daily resistance. Price recently broke through there, and now we're retesting back in this area. So what I'll be doing is breaking this down to the 4 hour time frame where we'd like to get our entries and see if I can get a nice entry candle rejection off of this area, which will also respect my 50 moving average if need be, so I can get into a short position to the downside. So that's going to be NZDUSD going into this week. All right, so next we're going to look at EURNZD, and as we can see on the weekly time frame, we're in pretty much a nice little channel. Price is rejecting off of the support level and rejecting off of this trend line. So we're going to break this down to the daily time frame to see if we can take care of some buy positions going into next week. So on the daily time frame, first let's zoom out. We can see price is pretty much in some sort of range. Zoom in, price had this downtrend channel. Price broke out of that, formed a double bottom down here, 1, 2. So we're gonna go down to the 4 hour time frame, and here we can better analyze this with this 1 touch, 2 touch, neckline at that double bottom. Now we're gonna wait for a retest in this area to go long. So that is going to be EURNZD going into this week. All right, so the last pair we're going to look at going into this weekly analysis is USDCHF. And as we can see on the weekly time frame, we're somewhat at this resistance. We've had a rejection once, twice, now a third time, looking for some more short opportunity going to the bottom, maybe in here or in here on the smaller time frame. So we're going to break this down to the daily, pretty much see what we're looking like. We had this uptrend that was recently broken, and we started forming some bearish market structure with high, low, high, and now a new low, and coming back to retest this level of support. So we're going to drill this into the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, we can see that price is pretty much sitting at this level now. So we're going to wait for a candlestick formation or just a reversal candle, bearish pin bar, evening star, just anything around this area that's going to show signs of a reversal back into the overall direction of that weekly and daily trend. So that's going to be pretty much what we're looking like this week. I would ask you guys to pretty much like, comment, subscribe if you like to see more content like this. We're going to start dropping more videos every single week, and make sure you guys go into the comments for more that you would like to see us post on a weekly basis.